Good evening. This is Mordechai Kotkis from Jerusalem. We are reading these weeks about the story of the Jewish people going down to Egypt and their enslavement in Egypt. And we are told by the Torah that they were taken out very quickly from Egypt. That's why they had to make matzah, the unleavened bread. And our rabbis tell us that if they would have been in Egypt another second, they would not have been able to leave. And why is that? Because in our tradition we find the concept that there are 50 levels of holiness and 50 levels of unholiness. And had they stayed another moment in Egypt, they would have entered the 50th level of unholiness, of Tumah, and they would have been stuck. So the question arises, this is asked by the Or HaChaim, why did God wait till the last minute? Why did he wait till the last moment and then pull them out quickly? And the answer he gives is fascinating. He said that in order to rectify different levels of unholiness and turn them into holiness, the people have to first enter that level. So if they would have gone out before they did, they would not have been able to enter the 49th level of impurity and rectify it and turn it into holiness. But they did not enter the 50th level. They only entered the 49th and they fixed it, and now it's taken care of. But he adds that now, in our times, our job is to rectify the 50th and final level of unholiness and turn it into holiness. And the only way to do that is to enter that level. That's why today the world has entered the lowest level of immorality and disgusting, despicable behavior that history has ever seen, mankind has ever seen. And our goal and our job is not to fall prey, not to fall into the pit of the 50th level, to be aware that it's there. But those who fall into it may never get out. But this gives us an understanding as to why the forces of evil are so powerful today, how people are succumbing left and right to the temptations of evil. And it should motivate us to stand strong and to overcome these forces, to be good, to strengthen the forces of good, to study God's teachings, to do good deeds, and to be as good as we can be. And then, hopefully, all of 50 levels of impurity will be rectified and will be turned into holiness. And when that happens, Messiah, Mashiach, will be able to come